For some real numbers a and b, the system of linear equation x plus y equals to 4, and this equation has infinite many solutions. Two linear equations, two simultaneous linear equations, and they've told you that the two equations have got infinite solutions. Find the maximum possible value of a into b. If you look at this, coefficient of x is 1 and coefficient of x over here is a plus 5. The ratio of this, which is a plus 5 divided by 1, should be equals to the coefficient of y, which is b square minus 15, and the coefficient of y over here is 1, to be equals to 8b divided by 4. Now, this is a condition for infinite solutions of two simultaneous equations in two variables. Now, we just have to solve it for the values of a and b and check out what is the maximum possible value of a into b. Let me equate b square minus 15 with 2b, and if you solve this further, you are going to get b square minus 2b minus of 15 to be equals to 0. This will give you b minus of 5 into b minus of 3, b plus of 3 to be equals to 0. If you solve it further, you are going to get b equals to 5 or b equals to minus 3. Now, this is one set of values for b that we have got. Now, equate a plus b, a plus 5 to be equals to 2b. Take a value of b as 5 over here. You're going to get a plus 5 equals to 10. So, a will be equals to 5. So, you have a equals to 5 when your value of b is equals to 5. Now, look at the next value of b, which is minus 3. So, if you have a plus 5 is equals to 2 times of minus 3, then you are going to get minus of 6 minus of 5 to be equals to the value of a. So, a will turn out to be minus of 11. Now, they are looking at the maximum possible value of AB. Now, if you look at this, you should realize that a equals to minus 11 will only happen if b is equals to minus 3. So now you cannot take the value of a as 5 and b as minus 3, because if a is 5, then at that point, at that value of a equals to 5, b has to be equals to 5. So either the product possible for the two of these is 25, or the product possible for these two is 33. The maximum possible value is going to be 33. Option B is the correct answer for this question.